In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare decimals. Comparing decimals is very simple. It's just like comparing a regular number where we start with the place value on the left and we move one place value to the right until we find a number that's bigger. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same thing here. I'm going to start with my ones place. I see that I have two zeros, so I'm going to move one place value to the right. I have 4/10 and 6/10. I know that 6 is bigger than 4, so this is my answer. Let's do another one. Okay, we're going to go with 0.85 and compare it to 0.58. Okay, so I start with my place value on the left, my ones place. I have two zeros, so I'm going to move over one more place value to the right. I have 8/10 and 5/10. I know that 8 is bigger than 5, so this is my answer. And we'll do one more. Let's do 3.09 and compare it to 3.10. We'll do the same thing. We start with the 3 in our ones place. They're both the same, so we move one place value over to the right. I have 0/10 and 1/10. 1 is bigger than 0, so this is my answer. Now I'm going to show you how to compare decimals in tenths and hundredths. So this will look a little bit different, but don't worry, it's still simple. It's just a little bit trickier, okay? So we're going to go with 0.25 and compare it to 0.5. And you may be thinking, oh, well 25 is bigger than 5, so this is my answer. And that's actually incorrect. We need to do the same exact thing that we've been doing and go by place value, okay? Because really 0.5 is the same as 0.50. That makes a big difference, okay? So we're going to start with our ones place. We have a 0, so I need to move one place value to the right. I have 2 in the tenths place and 5 in the tenths place, and 5 is bigger than 2, so this is my answer. Okay, we'll do one more just to practice and make sure we've got it down. We're going to do 0.7 and compare it to 0.44. Okay, so like I said before, you might be thinking, oh, 44 is bigger than 7. Here's my answer. And that's incorrect. Why is that incorrect? Because we didn't go by place value. So we're going to start with our ones place. We have a 0 and a 0, so I'll move over to the tenths place. I have a 7 and a 4, and 7 is bigger than 4, so this is my answer.